with a 22-degree angle from the tip and then from the other side. The easiest, simplest technique for any beginner to start practicing. Now, if you are a pro and you have already practiced, the way to do it is holding it with your hand very straight, putting a 22-degree angle. So it is a very, very simple technique. Now, if your knife is really bland and the steel is not really helping, you move to step number 2. And step number 2 is using a stone. It has 2 sides to it. The coarse side is the one we start with. So this way we're taking some of the particles of the steel, and then with the smoother one, we are just smoothing your knife. I like to put it on a protector that it comes with, so this way it doesn't slide. What I've got over here is the sharpening aid, and what it does, it just helps you to get the 22-degree angle. So you're going several times on this side, and then you flip it onto the other side. If you feel that it got a little bit dry, you wet it a little bit, and the same process. Now we need to the smoother side, so you have to flip it, and every time in between you just wipe your knife so you take all the excess particles, and again.